Hi to all. Today we are going to make pav bhaji in Hamare style. Pav bhaji is a very popular dish in India. It is a mixture of lots of vegetables and special pav bhaji masala. So let us start our process of making pav bhaji. For making pav bhaji we need onions, tomato, capsicum, green peas, cabbage and boiled potatoes. So now let us take a pan, add butter. When the butter melted nicely, put some cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds crackled, add onions, tomato, and start mashing it continuously. Add 2 cups of water. And mash it for another 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame. Now add the remaining vegetables like capsicum, green peas, cabbage. Start mashing the vegetables again for 5 minutes on medium to high flame. You can add water if required. Now add potatoes. Add some water and start mashing it again. Mash it again until it becomes nice coarse paste. Now you can see we have mashed our vegetables nicely. Now we are going to add our spices. So add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt as per taste, and 3 to 4 spoons of pav bhaji masala. Mix it nicely. Then add some water. Let it fry for another 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high flame. Add butter. Mix it well. You can see our pav bhaji is ready. It looks so yummy. Garnish with coriander leaves. Now we are going to make our pav for our pav bhaji. So take a pan and add butter. Once the butter melted, add red chilli powder, salt, and mix it well. Now add pav and fry from both the sides for 1 to 2 minutes. Now our pav is ready. Serve with our pav bhaji. Do try this recipe and let us know your feedback. Thank you.